Knock it out, boom. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, FDE Eli, feel me? Eli 10 man. We back at it again. I got my brother, DWG, done with Glocks, you feel me? He's here with us, you feel me? We gonna be shooting only 9mm. It's the only thing we gonna shoot is only the 9mm. We gonna work on, quick draw, you know what I'm saying? Work on all that. What I'm finna do right now is shoot through the 19X threaded barrel. See, what I did was took the PSA Dagger threaded barrel and just put it in the 19X. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just finna see what it's basically shooting like. You feel me? So we gonna run a couple through these. Probably run like, how many think we should run through there? Like 7, 6?
7.
7.
Some shit like that.
Just to see what it's talking about. Now, like I said, the jam on me, that ain't good. I'm gonna have to take it apart immediately. Alright. So show you again. Got a barrel. 19X. Make sure.
Smooth.
Oh God, this shit flat. Ooh wee.
Been running smooth.
Ooh wee.
Yes, sir. Just need a flashlight for him now.
No cap. I ain't gonna lie. We not even gonna look at what I did. I see it from a
We got
distance.
some tape. We got some tape this
Nah,
time.
we not even gonna worry about that. I seen what I did over there.
We gonna go tape it up. It don't even matter.
Try. This ain't gonna work. Alright, so finna do a little quick draw. 19X, 2 shots. See what I'm working with the 19X. I kind of like it because of the threaded barrel. It's kind of smooth. So make sure it's tight. But we finna get active. See what they got.
Alright, you ready? Go. Clear. Tape. Ooh-wee. Yeah, we got 2 good ones out.
Yes, sir.
Right in that neck area. It's like chest.
You know what I'm saying?
Chest type vibe.
Damn near like right side, right here. Feel me?
Type.
Alone. Some shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Good
sir.
shooting, man.
Appreciate it, bro. You feel me? Trying to work at it, man. Good self-defense mechanisms, bro. Get active. Let's do it.
Let's get it.
All right, rep 2. Feel me? Take it a little bit slower now so I can be able to actually get it more efficiently and be able to get my hit my target the way how I want to.
Oh. We good.
Trying to land on me.
You ready? Go.
Pull one out the ass.
Be like that sometime. hit him low. It's alright. Where the other one went? You seen where it went? We need to try to get that bit over this way soon.
Yeah.
Got a low hit. We good, we good. We gonna get there, we gonna get there. Let me tape these up. We're gonna tape these up and get ready for the next one, man.
Alright. So here's what we got. This is our third, this is me and bro's third rep. Feel me? We leveled up a notch. You know, we got 3 in the head, or 3 in the clip now. Or 2 in the clip, sorry. Shit. Yeah. 2 in the clip, 1 in the head, 3 shots. It's the third rep. Alright.
You screwed up a little bit, son. Yeah. Ready? Go.
Oh.
Fight through it. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Always fight through it. You don't get a second chance in real life. You gotta get off what you can get off.
Yeah.
Put 1 in the post. 1 in
The ball sex.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Castrated me. Then 1 in the dirt somewhere. It's alright.
Bullshit, but I gotta start coming back more often, man.
We good. See, the thing is, even when we do come, we don't draw.
Yeah.
So that's why we started practicing, so we can see where we at with it.
Yeah.
We good. Ain't nothing wrong with this. This good. That's what they hitting the target.
Yeah.
So as long as we getting them somewhere on that paper, we good.
First 2 was great though.
Yeah. We gonna get back up there. We'll get right. Take these up.
Tragic.
Yeah. Don't lock in.
Maybe that's why I've probably been missing.
Can't see shit.
Yeah. Alright. It's our 4th rep. 3 shots. What we're gonna try to do is hit him near that A target area between like where his chest is, where his heart is, probably where his neck is again, you know. Trying to get better. Do a little quick draw.
Ready? Left foot first. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Clear?
Clear.
C, D, we chipped them.
I gotta aim up a little bit higher.
Yeah, you dipping. You dipping. You might be using them irons wrong.
Started.
Yep.
Alright, YouTube. Feel me? This is our 5th try. Can't believe it. It's our 5th try. We're supposed to been done with this. We've been lacking lately.
You locking in?
We locking in though. We locking in. So what we're gonna try to do is, like I said, hit that chest area. Maybe hit the head area, the neck area. Go get 3 shots off. Let's get it done. Look.
Sir. Ready?
Ready.
Go. Clear.
Clear. Ain't hit shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is this nigga serious?
I think I need to go again.
Yeah, you airball.
Yeah. Keep it rolling.
You just shot somebody kid or somebody grandma and yeah. Brought this up there for nothing. Just gonna keep it rolling. This nigga is trash. Redemption time right here.
Yeah.
They got you bent up, man. We're gonna keep it rolling so they can know this the very next one. We ain't playing. Gonna lock in. Right now. Ready?
Ready.
Go. Clear?
Clear.
Got shoulder, stomach.
Airball the last one.
Yeah, one miss.
I'll take that.
We good.
Good.
Yeah.
Get
Got
better.
a C and a D. It's all right.
So I'm gonna start right here. So when I draw, I could just.
You can start on your side.
Oh.
Just like that's just the marker for like about where you should be.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube. So what we got now is 4 shots. We're gonna quick draw, and then as we quick draw, we're gonna move back to create space, and then we're gonna shoot at the same time. So we're gonna get that done, get that technique worked out.
You ain't gonna carry it like that.
Type shit. So let's get it done.
Let's get it. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, go. Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir. It look good.
Yeah.
Got 2 in that noggin.
Feel me?
He's down for sure.
Sir.
Got 1 down there in the stomach, 1 in the arm.
Like the last one.
It's all right, he gone. You were the first 2.
Yeah.
He gone. Ready?
That wasn't right there. Was it?
Yeah, just the one. I probably just kicked it. I was looking at this rock when I marked it.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I knew it was close up a little bit. Alright, YouTube, so we got it. We back at it again. Feel me? We're gonna do the second rep of the quick draw moving. 6 shots this time. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get active. Let's get started.
Locked and loaded, 1 in the head. Ready?
Ready?
Go. Clear?
Clear.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3 A's, 4 A's. They be in the box too. 1 C and 1 D. Boy, that's some shooting, boy.
Yes, sir.
Told y'all niggas gonna lock in. Gonna lock in.
On that moving.
Come on, man.
Alright, YouTube. Finna go ahead and get up out of here, but before I go, you gotta hit through that metal target right there. It's about like 40 feet maybe. It's kind of pretty steep. So we're gonna run through this dagger, try to hit that motherfucker. Feel me? Stay in the middle. Twin.
Yeah, you good. Wherever you wanna stand.
Okay.
Missing low.
Ain't too low?
Yeah, you hitting the ground before you get to the target. Lift it up a little bit. Too high. There you go. There you go.
low?
Yep. Too high.
Oh, that's it. Clear.
Clear.
Yeah.
Good.
Hit two of them bitches.
Yes, sir.